Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 quart whole milk and 2 tablespoons active kefir grains. This recipe makes about 3 to 4 cups of kefir yogurt and scales easily by quart. Bring milk to 180 degrees F, then cool to 110 degrees F, holding at 180 degrees F for 10 minutes. Denatures proteins for creamier texture. You can use pasteurized or raw milk. Pasteurized is safer for home fermentation. Optional. Add 1 tablespoon sugar or 1/4 cup powdered milk to set instant pot to yogurt mode and preheat to 110 degrees F. Pour cooled milk into the inner pot, then stir in 2 tablespoons active grains to cooled milk using a non-reactive spoon. Use a cheesecloth or lid set loosely to allow slight airflow. Incubate 8 to 24 hours depending on tartness preference. 8 hours yields mild kefir yogurt, 24 hours yields tangier, thicker results. After incubation, remove grains with a fine mesh sieve and refrigerate the finished kefir yogurt for at least 4 hours to set. Strain out grains and reserve them for the next batch using a plastic or stainless steel sieve. Do not use copper. Refrigerate kefir yogurt at 38 degrees F for at least 4 hours to thicken and chill before serving. If you want Greek-style texture, strain through cheesecloth for 1 to 3 hours to remove whey. Flavor with 1/4 cup jam, 2 tablespoons honey, or fresh fruit at serving time, and store leftover kefir yogurt in airtight containers for up to 2 weeks in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.